ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಿಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಕಿಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಕಿಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬಂತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬಂದೆ
Respondent given the endorsement to us.
Huh?
Respondent given the endorsement.
Kodi. Fresh matters are kodi.
My lord,
Fresh matters only.
My this is regarding payment of arrears amendments.
Fresh matters are kodi.
ಇಲ್ಲ 20,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ arrears.
ಹಳೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ 20,000 ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮನೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಮೊನ್ನೆ 10th ಕ್ಕೆ. It could not reach on 10th December sir. 20,000 ಬಾಕಿ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅದು. arrears amendments. It was Monday. At least in the order list ನಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ.
For what sir?
Sir.
For what?
For payment of arrears amendments 20,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಬಾಕಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್?
For MC Interim sir. ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು. 20,000 ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಯಾವ್ದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂಚ್ಲಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಮಂಡೇ
ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Yes.
I have for withdrawal of the deposited amount, my lord. The insurance company has deposited the.
You're filing a memo.
Please, my lord.
ಇವತ್ತು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಕೊಡಿ.
For pronouncement of order, CL number 1, Niva M. Chimcode.
Writ petition is allowed. Order dated 22nd October 2021 passed in application number 20284 of 2021 passed by the Karnataka State Administrative Tribunal is set aside. Consequently, orders impugned dated 15th January 2021 passed by the respondent number 1 and the enquiry report dated 31st January 2018 passed by the respondent number 4 in the application number 20284 of 2021 are quashed. Petitioner shall be reinstated into service with all consequential benefits that would flow from such reinstatement. The period of compliance of this order is 3 months from the date of receipt of certified copy of this order.
CL number 2, for pronouncement of order, P.S. Mali Patil.
But I appear for the appellant.
Appeal fails and is accordingly dismissed.
Admission matter, CL number 3, Chaitanya Kumar Chandriki. The appellant in this matter.
Yes,
My lord, the
for partition.
partition in a separate position, I am the, my lord, purchaser of the property.
You are the purchaser.
Please, my lord. The defendant number 9 has sold the property in favor of, my lord, defendant number 10. Defendant number, my lord, the plaintiffs are.
Sorry, ಆಯ್ತು. Your vendor has been allotted a share?
No, my lord.
Huh?
No.
Your vendor is not allotted share.
Allotted. My lord, she is, my lord, mother of, my lord, plaintiffs. And my lord, the mother of the plaintiffs. My lord, defendant number 9 is mother of the plaintiffs. She sold the property in favor of defendant number 10.
ಹೌದು, she has not got a share?
No, my lord. She, on the ground that, my lord, she is second wife, my lord, no share is allotted.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ my lord, no documents are placed on record to show that, my lord, she is second wife. And my lord, CH is executed in the year.
ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು what as a purchaser, what can you do?
ಅಲ್ಲ 2009 ಅಲ್ಲಿ property has been sold, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು.
And my lord, the documents placed on record which shows, my lord, the husband of defendant number 9 has purchased the property during his lifetime, my lord. He has, my lord, allotted share to the, my lord, each of the parties.
Issue notice to the respondents.
So meanwhile, my lord, interim, in respect of, my lord, only item number
The
1.
report is directed not to drop final decree without express orders of this court.
CL number 4, Sanjay A. Patil.
But it's a appeal against conviction, convicting him under 302 for life.
Huh?
302 life conviction against.
Learned additional SPP takes notice for the respondent.
What's
The
the,
counsel for the appellant is directed to serve copies of the
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
appeal memo along with ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Along with annexures on the learned additional SPP. Full stop. Next para. 2 weeks are granted to the respondents to file objections to IA number 1 of 2024. Yes.
CL number 4, SS Dikshit.
Matter is called out. There is no representation for the appellant. Release this matter on 18th of December.
Serial number 2, your lordship.
Huh?
Something.
2,
Number 5.
Your lordships.
5.
Yes, your lordships. Your lordships, GNWC, your lordships. Can I get the file, your lordships, with due permission in the bag, your lordships?
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Beg your pardon, Lordships.
Yeah.
Lordships, this is GNWC matter in which we are seeking permission of this honorable court to sell the property. The issue is, Your Lordships,
The petition
Both.
has been rejected.
yes, Your Lordships, the petition has been rejected.
Learned government advocate, additional government advocate takes notice for the respondent. Learned counsel for the appellant is directed to serve copies of the appeal memo along with annexes
Lordships,
to the-
on the
Learned
last
counsel.
occasion, it has been already done, Your Lordships.
ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ. ಮತ್ತೆ?
Lordships, now,
Why is it coming again now?
we have moved a memo for
For?
posting. Memo for posting
For?
to permission to sell the property, Your Lordships, to
Yes,
dispose.
it matters to be decided, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordships.
What do you think then you're doing?
Your Lordships, they are in real financial.
We are required to consider the matter. He has to take instructions.
Yes, Your Lordships. But,
List this matter after winter vacation.
please,
Yes.
Serial number 6, Subhas Mallapur.
Insurance appeal. Accident between trailer and motorcycle.
Huh?
Accident between the trailer and motorcycle, my lords, that
Delay.
at a
No
prelim,
delay.
no delay. The trailer was not insured, my lords.
Huh?
Trailer was not insured. ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಾ.
So trailer was not insured, we are not liable.
No. What was not issued?
The trailer was not insured, my lord.
Insured,
Yes.
trailer.
Mike use ಮಾಡಿ sir.
Issue notice to the respondents. ಇದು ಇಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Learned counsel to M. Sudarshan. Ipco Tokyo. Sudarshan. The M. Sudarshan, who is present in the court, is requested to take notice for respondent number 5. Learned counsel for the appellant is directed to serve copies of the appeal memo along with annexures on learned counsel for respondent number 5. Issue notice to the other respondents. Next para. Learned counsel submits that the appellant insurance company is contesting this matter on the ground that the trailer of the tractor was not insured. And despite that, the tribunal has passed a judgment and award in favor of the claimants. Full stop. Next para. Consequently, there should be an ad interim order of stay.
Pay and recover.
Huh?
Pay and recover ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
But ನಾವು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ.
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್
Tractor
ಟ್ರೇಲರ್
ಇದೆ, trailer ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಇರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಂತ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿದೆ. The moment, there was no movement of the tractor.
What is the position of law?
Once the trailer is not insured, liability fastens on the trailer owners. That's
Huh?
why trailer no insurance ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
No. That
Yes.
it
If the tractor dashes, my lords, if the trailer is,
ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ರ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಐತೆ.
Both type of judgments are there.
ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
but what is the
Here, my lords,
position of law?
the engine was not, my lords, involved in the accident. That's why.
ಒಂದು ಪೇ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಕವರ್
ಹೌದು.
ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಬಲ್.
Order of stay of the impugned judgment and award in MBC 699 of 2022 on the file of the first additional senior civil judge Kalaburagi and MACT 1, comma till the next date of hearing, comma subject to the appellant depositing 50% of the award amount before the tribunal within a period of 6 weeks.
Preliminary notice, serial number 7, Vilappa Erode.
I may permitted to
Withdraw.
liberty to approach KSAT
Adena.
and request, yes, I request for also making observation of on point of limitation.
Learned counsel for the appellant has filed a memo seeking leave of this court to withdraw the writ appeal and approach the Karnataka State Administrative Tribunal. Since this court prima facie expressed its opinion that in a matter of recruitment, to any post under the services of the state, the same can be questioned only before the tribunal and not by way of a writ petition. Full stop. Learned counsel would also submit that since the petitioner had, since the appellant had filed the writ petition immediately after the cause of action, the period of limitation should accordingly be construed. Full stop. Next para. The memo is taken on record subject to all such exceptions. Full stop. Accordingly, the writ appeal stands dismissed as withdrawn, while reserving liberty to the appellant to approach the tribunal. Full stop. The tribunal shall take note of the fact that the writ petition was filed well within time after the cause of action. Yes.
If I file within 1 month, if I file application before KT within 1 month, let them not raise subjects.
1 month
Even 1 week. Formally, I made 1 month.
he will give 2 weeks.
My lord, my
Comma, if the petitioner files an application within a period of 2 weeks from today. Yes.
shall not raise objection.
The law itself says it will have to take into consideration a petition or a suit filed in a court which had no jurisdiction. Provision itself is there. Yes.
Serial number 8, VK Nayak.
To appear for the complaint. Lord, the direction is at page number 14, para 8. The learned single judge directed the assistant commissioner to survey the entire survey number 132 and pass an order. Page 8, madam. Page 14, para 8.
Learned AG, a text for respond number 1. Learned counsel for the complainant is directed to serve copies of the petition along with the annexures on the learned AGA. Stop. Next para. Issue notice to response number 2 and 3, returnable by 9th of January 2025.
Non-compliance of office objections for third time, serial number 9.
Lord,
Question.
these are the appeals, my lord, 9 to 16, under the new act, my lord. Lord, our only objection is, we understood, my lord,
Beyond the period of
beyond
60 days.
120 days, my lord. And my lord, what is the objection left out to compliance is, my lord, regarding only court fees, my lord, is in lakhs, my lord. So, my lord, that is one thing, and my lord, EP also filed in all 9 to 16 matters. And my lord, first matter, my lord, it is well within the time. Wrongly, my lord, I'm sorry, all matters are well within the time. My lord, officers,
Same time.
house, wrongly calculated, my lord.
Yes.
First one, I just draw my lordship attention.
Huh?
Lord, the order passed on 30th-10-2024. I mean.
Angry agutte.
30th-10, my lord, 2023,
30/10/2023.
60 days, my lord. And we filed on, my
Oh,
lord,
January
20
2024.
January. Award signed on, my lord, 6/11. Okay, 29 కదండి.
So, within the stipulated period.
I'm, yes, my lord. What has
Next,
been, my
next
lord,
period
yes,
of
my lord.
60 days.
Statutory limitation, my lord, can be condoned up to 120 days. my lord.
Other, so it.
Yes, my lord. Well within the,
that period.
yes, please, my lord. And these appeals, so, my lord. Scrutiny,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗೇನು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್?
mainly, my lord, court fee and other, my lord, objections we have, my lord,
Yes.
complied. That is, my lord,
Court fee.
court fee, my lord.
Ah.
And my lord, getting in 1 or 2 days is difficult for us to, my lord, submit to the court, my lord. So it is a government organization, my lord, subject to, my lord,
What
condition.
can be done in
Within
that
8
other
days, we,
matters
my lord, deposit.
where claimants, some of them had sought for some more time to pay the court fee. ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Lord, I will give, I give undertaking, Lord, within 8 days. Yeah.
You will have to file an application seeking
Lord, it may be on Tuesday, my lord. It may be Tuesday, then I will arrange today itself. And Monday morning, first hour, I file it.
for the appellant. Release this matter on 17th.
Lord, in between, my lord, I may be permitted to, Lord, attend any complaints
Right.
also. And my lord,
Office-
office
office
has to relook
objections.
into the, my lord, issue of
Right.
limitation, please. Up
Yes,
9 to 60. Up
9 to 6.
up to 60,
Yes.
please.
Non-compliance of office objections for 7th time, seal number 17.
My lord, in this case, I made a
My lord, today I will go.
I made a submission. This particular respondent was exonerated. He was, the KT order was there that the order of compulsory retirement was set aside by the Karnataka Administrative Tribunal. I made a representation for making me to join the duties. They say that the matter is pending before the Honorable High Court, so we cannot do so.
ಇದೆ
ಕೇಸ್ ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು 2 ಸತಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹಾ.
ಅವ್ರು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಆ ಆಫೀಸರ್
ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಪಾಡನ್ ಸರ್,
ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ?
ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಆದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳನೆ ನಮ್ದು
ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದೆನ್
ಇಲ್ಲ KT ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ KT ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರಂತಾರೆ ಇದು ಅಪೀಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೈಲ್, ಶಾಡೋ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೈಲ್, ನೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಮೈ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್.
Why are you not complying with the office objection?
My lord, today I will verify, my lord. It may be taken today. Meanwhile, I will comply all office objections.
Last time my learned friend Basareddy was there. He said that the officer has changed and new officer has come. I have to seek the affidavit of that particular officer. 3 times. ತಮ್ಮದ್ರೆ ಇದು 3ನೇ ಸತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
No, we have, last time you have said, finally a week's time is granted at the request of the learned AGA for complaints of office objections. If office objections are complied, list this matter for admission.
On merits, there is nothing else.
All annexures to be attested. Legible copies to be filed. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Today I will go through I will comply.
Why are you not complying with this office objection? Simple office objection. Purposely, is it so that he will not be able to join?
No.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇನ್ನು 82 ದಿವಸ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. 82 days left for retirements.
Release this matter on 18th of December. Full stop. If office objections are not complied by the next date of hearing, the writ petition will be dismissed.
Yes.
Yes.
Order seal number 18, Sindhan Basudri Patil.
May I please, lordships? Appearing for the appellant in the matter, my lords. My clients are in the building only, my lords, along with their daughter. They are there in the building only, my lords. Another 1 minute, they will be inside the court hall. This is the matter where your lordships were pleased to call the mother and the child
And your Lordship may kindly interact with them, Lords, at.
Yes, yes. The
Yes.
daughter is studying in PUC.
Yes, my lord. They are in the court premises only, my lords. They will be coming inside the court hall. I have told them to come inside the court hall.
Pass over, pass over. Please sit down.
Cell number 19, Mahantesh Patil. Publishing of PF.
Lords, other respondents are lords represented by the same advocate before the trial, before the KAT, lords.
Huh?
The other respondents, except the respondent number 6, lords, all other are served. There is
Respondent
some
number?
lords urgency.
6.
Yes, lords.
Ah.
There is a change in the lords circumstance when we filed the case. Subsequently, the order which was enabled the respondents to take promotion came to be set aside by the Honorable KSAT. Therefore, I filed the memo along with that order. In view of that, the present writ petition is has to be allowed. The reason is that, in the year 2019, there were rules were brought into force. The post of the warden came to be abolished. Then, these present the respondents, private respondents, they made a request, stating some earlier orders of the KSAT to provide the promotion based on the feeder cadre of the warden. Therefore, that the Honorable K, based on that order, the promotion was given by the government by passing an order at page number 167, which is page number 169 is the operative portion. 21/7/23. May I read, notes? ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿರುವಂತೆ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ವರ್ಗಗಳ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನಂತರ ಬಾಲಕರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ನಿಲಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿರುವ ರೂಸೋನ್ಸೋ ವೇತನ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯ 384 ನಿಲಯ ಪಾಲಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಯ ಪೈಕಿ 29/9/2019 ಅಂತ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರುವ 313 ನಿಲಯ ಪಾಲಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಘನ ಕೆಟಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಆದೇಶ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾನೂನು ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯದನ್ವಯ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ವರ್ಗಗಳ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಅರ್ಹ ನಿಲಯ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಕರು ಪುರುಷ ವೃಂದದ ನೌಕರರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡಂತೆ ನಿಬಂಧನೆಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ನೀಡಲು ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ. ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಲು ಅರ್ಹ ಇರುವ ನಿಲಯ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಕರು ಪುರುಷ ವೃಂದದ ನೌಕರರು ನಿಲಯ ಪಾಲಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಲು ವೃಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ವಯ ದಿನಾಂಕ 29/9/2019 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಿರಬೇಕು. This 29/9/2019 is the date is the crucial, my lords, because 39/2019 the 2019 amended rules were came into force and the post of the warden came to be abolished. ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಲು ಅರ್ಹ ಇರುವ ನಿಲಯ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಕರು ಪುರುಷ ವೃಂದದ ನಿಲಯ ನೌಕರರ ಪಾಲಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪೂರ್ವಾನ್ವಯ ದಿನಾಂಕ ನಿಗದಿ ಕೋರಿ ಮನವಿ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸತಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ then lords there was a condition at page number 170. ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಲು ಅರ್ಹ ಇರುವ ನಿಲಯ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಕರು ಪುರುಷ ವೃಂದದ ನಿಲಯ ಪಾಲಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪೂರ್ವಾನ್ವಯ ದಿನಾಂಕ ನಿಗದಿ ಕೋರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂಡೆತಕ್ಕದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ they executed the bonds to the government stating that we will not seek for retrospective promotion, operation of the promotion retrospectively. Then they executed the bonds also to the government. Thereafter, they made a representation that they have to be given retrospectively. Relying on the the women wardens were given the promotion which was much prior to the 2019 rules. ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಲೇ ಆಗಿ ಅವರೊಂದು ಅರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಟ್ರೋಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Now the KAT has allowed their application. During this period, my lords, we being the petitioners, we are aggrieved by this order because of the reason that the 2019 rules has abolished the feeder cadre of the warden post, right? This order, my lords. Which order? The order 21/7/23, wherein they have got benefit of promotion.
How can you be aggrieved?
My lords, this order came to be challenged because we are the persons who are under the seniority. We got lords promotion. Once the order is by virtue of the rules, the warden post has been abolished. Therefore, because of that reason, they can't lords take the benefit by virtue of the administrative order because the rules are amended totally. Rules are amended. There were no rules.
You were working in which cadre?
We are working under the superintendent, my lords.
Superintendent.
Superintendent, by virtue of the 2019 rules, where we are working as earlier warden, we were promoted, my lords, by virtue of the seniority list prepared and as per the 2019 rules. This order has been not passed. This order came to be challenged. And this order has been quashed by the Honorable KSAT in Bangalore also, even in the Gulbarga also. Now that order I have produced, my lords. During pendency of this matter, wherein we have challenged 21/7/23 order, they filed a similar petition seeking to consider the representation to provide retrospective operation. Our own petition hakidru. Ali they did not disclose about all these facts, notes, challenging of this order and pendency of the application. On merit, this was the question. During pendency of that application itself, the Honorable KSC, we are not made party in that application. Honorable KSAT allowed and directed to consider retrospective promotion. Representation made by the response herein. Now the Honorable KSAT, they quashed the order 21/7/23 itself. I have produced that along with memo notes 15/11/24.
ಏನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಅದು ರೆಟ್ರೋಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ದೇ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೆಡ್.
That order itself is quashed.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ನಾವು ಬೈ ವರ್ಚು ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆನರಬಲ್ KSAT ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅವ್ರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಲೀಫ್
ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Please take out notice. Fresh steps to respond number 6 within a period of 1 week from today.
CL number 20, Sachinam Mahajan.
Yes. Await. List this matter after service of notice on respond number 3. ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು? ಇದು
Yesterday matter.
Nenne matter.
Yesterday matter.
My lord,
Yes, Mr. DSG.
please, my lord.
As per our instruction, written instruction, we are not unable to comply the honorable court membership because of any schedule is to be changed by the
Copy it to the other side. Yes.
honorable Supreme Court membership. Go before the to challenge.
If
go
they are
before
not
the
able to admit, my lord, we'll admit the students, my lord.
ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
My lord, it's like this, my lord, we have come, the issue is this, my lord.
They are placing reliance on a direction issued by the Honorable Supreme Court.
What the Supreme Court doesn't say that, my lord. What copy has been served by my learned friend, it doesn't say that.
Yes, Odi.
The two relief has been claimed. There shall be round 4 rounds of counseling from all India quota seats conducted by the Medical Council Committee, and the Medical Council is permitted to conduct online counseling for stay vacancy round. So they can do stay vacancy round, my lord. There's nothing wrong in doing.
ನೀವೇ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ರಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀಟ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಬಿ ನೀಟ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ.
ಯಾರು?
ನೀಟ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, UG ನೀಟ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್, as per my lordship, our contention, my lordship, it is mentioned that MCC is unable to transfer to the above rules
Having
and
heard
regulations
so
as so as deemed university can conduct. Please.
Paragraph number 2 of the order. Having heard Miss So-and-so additional Solicitor General, we direct that for 100% deemed universities. ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು?
Deemed university, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ದು deemed university.
Deemed university, my lord.
100% deemed university.
That is to be that I am not aware.
100% deemed university na nimdu?
Howದು, my lord? 100% deemed university.
There shall be 4 rounds of common counseling for all India quota seats conducted by MCC, and medical counseling committee is permitted to conduct online counseling for stray vacancy around. So in terms of this order,
already we conducted the 4 rounds
yes,
of.
Mr. Shashkiran Shetty.
Please, my lord.
The Supreme Court itself has now directed.
Correct, my lord. That's what I pointed out in.
Accordingly, they will conduct fresh rounds.
Let them do it, my lord. That's all, my lord.
Allah, let them do it, Allah. Supreme Court itself has directed. The permission has been taken
Correct, my
and
lord.
directions have been issued by the Supreme Court.
Please, my lord. Your worship, in
Your,
terms of,
your grievance has been redressed.
then they're not filling up the seat is my grievance, my lord.
They have to.
In
Why
fact,
are
my
you
lord,
saying it is not possible now?
my lord, students are from India are going
Section, my
to,
The petitioner is go before the honorable Supreme Court ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಮ್ಮ
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್?
4 rounds is already over, my lord.
Huh?
I'm mentioning the 4 round, all 4 rounds along with one special stray vacancy,
2022 ಇದು.
MCC.
12/12/2022.
Please.
ಹಳೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಹಳೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 4 ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್
ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇ ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. It is not under our purview. You go before honorable Supreme Court and take it on neat schedule ಅಂತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ. ಅವ್ರು ನೀಟ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇದು ಇದೆ. kindly peruse the page 2, my lordship. Typed copy.
Council. You will have to approach the honorable Supreme Court.
no, may not be required, my lord. It's like this, my lord. Insofar as stray vacancy is concerned, they can send the students, my lords, whenever there is vacancy created.
See, they are saying whatever directions were issued by the Supreme Court, we have done everything.
Please.
Nothing more can be done now. That is the contention.
Please.
4 rounds of counseling have taken place. Online counseling for stray vacancy round is also completed.
Please.
That is the contention.
Lord, I'm submitting this memo to show, my lord, that in similarly situated circumstances, second stray round is conducted, my lord, insofar as other courses are concerned.
For nursing as well as for the dental council.
Schedule of special stray vacancy round 2 of UG counseling for BDS, BSc nursing councils.
But this cannot be a ground for us to direct.
My lord, the last date for admission was on the 5th, my lord. Prior to the last date, the lordships have directed them to admit a student. All they have to do is send a student, my lords.
Unlike the Supreme Court, which can exercise power under Article 142, this court will not be able to issue such direction, which may run.
My lord, under 226, my lord, your lordships are not helpless to, for example, my lord, students are going to Ukraine and other countries for admission of students. In our own state, my lord, there are doctors students who are waiting for getting admitted. It's not a question of fee, my lord. If they don't pay the fees also, it doesn't matter. What we are considering, let one student get medical education, my lord. There's shortage of doctors in our country.
Learned DSG has filed a memo. Along with the copy of an email sent on 5th of December 2024 and copy of order dated 12/12/2022 passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in writ petition bracket civil number 102 of 2017 in the matter of Christian Medical College Ludhiana Society versus Secretary, Medical Education Research, Punjab, and submits that in terms of the directions issued by the Honorable Supreme Court, where permission was granted at the request made by the Medical Counseling Committee, it was directed that there shall be 4 rounds of common counseling for the all India quota seats conducted by the Medical counseling committee and the medical counseling committee was permitted to conduct an online counseling for the stray vacancy round. Full stop. It was directed that such directions shall take effect from the ensuing academic year 2022-23. Full stop. Learner DSG submits that in terms of the said directions, 4 rounds of common counseling have been held and online counseling for stray vacancy round has also been conducted. Full stop. Beyond this, it will not be within the purview of the respondents to conduct another stray round of counseling. Stray vacancy round of counseling. Full stop. Next para. Learned senior counsel appearing for
The university,
the petitioner has also filed a memo along with copy of a schedule of special stray vacancy round 2 of UG counseling conducted for BDS or BSc bracket nursing seats dash 2024. Stop. Learned senior counsel would submit that the submission made by the learned DSG will be contrary to the schedule prepared and conducted by the counseling committee, since a special stray vacancy round 2 was conducted insofar as BDS or BSc bracket nursing is concerned. Full stop. The learned senior counsel would therefore submit that similar directions should be issued to the respondents to conduct special stray vacancy round 2 in MBBS.
MBBS, man.
In MBBS.
In NRI quota.
In NRI quota.
NRI bar management, your lordship say that, or NRI management quota.
NRI bar management quota. Full stop. Next para. We are of the considered opinion.
Judge, your lordship, just one other consideration, your lordship, seat should not go vacant, permit the institution to fill it up, or that also your lordship may record it so that.
We are of the considered opinion that having regard to the fact that no medical seat should go unfilled, various directions have been issued by the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. The grievance sought to be made out by the petitioner university is in the same lines, that one seat in NRI quota will go unfilled if counseling is not conducted. For special stray vacancy. Full stop. However, we are of the considered opinion that such directions cannot be issued by this court. Full stop. It is for the petitioner university to approach the Honorable Supreme Court to seek appropriate directions. Full stop. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Your Lordship may kindly dispose it off, my lords, or dismiss it, my lords, so that I can approach. Can I make one request, my lords? Your Lordship may kindly call out the interim order, after that they filed, so that, my lords, at least there was only to point out, my lords, we have approached the court before the last date, only for that limited purpose, my lords. Because they'll say that tomorrow we have not approached within the last date. The last date was the 5th of December, my lords. 4th was your, 5th was your Lordship's.
Next para. However, we have to notice that this writ petition was filed on 5th of December 2024. And the last date for
Admission, my lords.
admission,
To MBBS course as per the time schedule of the medical council, my lords, is 5th December, my lords.
and the last date for admissions to the MBBS course is 5th of December 2024.
2024.
Full stop. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
Grateful to. If possible, my lords, if the at least the operative portion, so that we can approach the Supreme Court.
No, we will give the entire copy. There's no.
Please, man. The reason is this, my lords, ultimately it's a medical seat, whether
Yes, yes.
one student should not get
that is why
educated. That's the whole point.
In the opening sentence itself, I have said so.
I said, I noted that.
That is the basic ground on which all these orders are being passed with the Honorable Supreme Court.
Correct.
Yes.
Please, I'm grateful.
I will file a memo for hand delivery, my lord.
Huh?
I'll file a
ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ,
memo for
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ
hand
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Good.
Please.
Good.
CL number 21, Villappa Erur.
Not, for the petitioner, it's a premature transfer.
Huh?
Premature. My lord, annexure A1, page number 25 may be perused.
Office objection, serial number 27.
Yes, ma'am. 21. 21.
ಏನದು office objection? Legible copy of annexure R2.
I'm not relying.
Huh?
My grievance is annexure D.
No?
Annexure D is under.
What office objection ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ? We are seeing what is the office objection?
Office objection, annexure R2.
ಅದೇನೆ.
Annexure R2. That is filed by the respondents.
ಅವ್ರು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿದ್ದಾ?
ಹೌದು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ I am not relying on that.
Where is that?
Page 47, ma'am. Government has filed the entire list of promotion.
Huh?
Entire list of promotion. Government has filed. It is there, the next.
Office objection at serial number 27 is over. Yes.
I request, my lord, I request my lord to peruse page number 25, annexure A1. That is on 4th September 2023. I have been transferred. My lord will find my name at item number 4.
4923.
4923, my lord.
4923.
Yes, ma'am. My lord will find my name at item number 4. K. Prakash. After my lord transfer, I have joined and functioning at a place I was transferred.
ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ತೆರಿಗೆಗಳ ಉಪ ಆಯುಕ್ತರು.
Yes.
ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪರಿಶೋಧನೆ ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆಯಿಂದ
Bijapur. From there, my lord, I have been working. As per annexure A2, page number 27. Once again, I am transferred within a period of 1 year. That is dated 12/9/24.
24. Immediately after 1 year.
Yes, 4, my lord, that is 4, this is 12, 8 days. One year, 8 days. Yes.
1 year, 8 days.
Yes. I'm a group B officer. My minimum stay is 2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
Yes. My lord will find my name at page number 37.
Yes.
Item number 58.
Yes.
My lord, agreed by this, my lord, I approached Service Tribunal, KT. KT has admitted my application, granted interim stay. Thereafter, my lord, the state government has filed objection, annexure B, solely on the ground that there is a complaint against me to the minister, district minister, And district minister has written a letter to the authorities to transfer me. My lord will find annexure R1, page number 45. Annexure R1, page number 45. My lord will find annexure R1 filed by the government.
But this annexure A2,
R1,
annexure A2, annexure A2, page number 27.
27, my lord, that is my.
General transfer.
Yeah. Illa, after a period is over, they have to.
Election.
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನದ್ದ
ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್.
Yes, promotees. I am not promoted. Promotion list and seniority list. There are 5 parts. They have made 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, I fall in 5th part, last part. They have disturbed me within my period is over, premature. I request my lord to peruse page number 45. Annexure R1.
45.
Yes, ma'am. My lord will find. May I read, ma'am? Permission.
Yes.
ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ MB ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಬೃಹತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯಮ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೂಲ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಸಚಿವರು ಇವರ ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/8/24 ನಡುವಳಿ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರ ನಡುವಳಿಯನ್ನು ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಲಗತ್ತಿಸಿದೆ. ಸದರಿ ನಡುವಳಿಯನ್ನು ನಿಯಮಾನುಸಾರ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳುಹಿಸುವಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೋರಲು ನಿರ್ದೇಶಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. That is my lord, my name, and that is signed by government. Thereafter, my lord will find page number 46. 46.
ಇವರನ್ನು ರಾಯಚೂರು ಅಥವಾ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ರಾಯಚೂರ್ or ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
MB ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಬೃಹತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಏನದು ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅನೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ?
My lord.
Next page.
Next
page number 46.
Yes, 46.
46. ಓದಿ.
46. ಶ್ರೀ ಸೋ ಇವರು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ವಿಜಯಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಇವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ವಿಜಯಪುರ ವರ್ತಕರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು CA-STP ವಿಭಾಗದವರಿಂದ ದೂರುಗಳು ಬಂದಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಇವರ ಕಾರ್ಯವೈಖರಿಯು ತೃಪ್ತಿದಾಯಕವಾಗಿಲ್ಲದ ಕಾರಣ ಇವರನ್ನು ರಾಯಚೂರು ಅಥವಾ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಕೋರಿದೆ. This is the my lord letter given by the minister to the government. And R2 is entire list of promotees and the transfer is it runs from page number 47 to 90. On page number 47, the transfer says that it is in the public interest. There are 5 parts made. Agreed by lord, I approached service tribunal interfered, and after government filing objection, I filed my rejoinder. I request my lord to peruse annexure C, page number 91. My lord, page number 91, I relied upon certain judgments, authorities of this honorable court as well as honorable Supreme Court.
Yes.
I request my lord to peruse page number 98, where premature transfer has been interfered with and the KT has set aside the premature transfer order and allowed the application, where I was one of the respondents. Followed, my lord, I agreed by that. I approached very same bench. My lord will find page number 115. Very same bench, honorable court. Honorable court has confirmed the order of the KT saying that when it is premature transfer, it should not be interfered with. May I read, my lord? Last para.
Yeah.
Page number 123.
Tahsildar, grade 1.
Page number 123, my lord's order.
This is not pertaining to this party.
No, my lord.
Premature.
It is not pertaining to this.
Pertaining to premature.
Some other case.
Some other.
ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ, sorry. Some other case.
ಅದನ್ನ
sorry. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ. Let us see the impugned order. What is the reasoning?
My lord.
Which is the impugned order?
Page 138, my.
Annexure D.
Annexure D,
yes.
What is the reasoning?
Reasoning, my lord, whatever citations I have submitted, nowhere discussed.
Yes.
Only said I have read. And the last paragraph, my lord, the honorable KT refers one judgment SS Saxena,
Ah,
144 to 145.
ah,
SS Saxena versus Union of India and others. And wherein we find that it is a case of no interference whatsoever has been made out. In the first place, a government servant cannot disobey a transfer order by not reporting at the place of posting and then go to a court to ventilate his grievances. It is his duty first to report for work where he transferred and make representation to what may be his transfer problems. It is tendency of not reporting at the place of posting and indulging in litigation needs to be curbed, considering the judgment of the Honorable
Only on
Supreme
that
Apex
ground.
Court in the,
only on that ground.
yes, yes.
Why did you not go and take charge?
That is the only ground mentioned, my lord,
Why did you not go and take charge?
not by premature transfer, my lord.
We have also been telling this in the open court.
Yes.
We don't appreciate this kind of a tendency of officers. You may be right in agitating. You file an application, that's all right. You can't say, no, I'm not going to take.
I did not say. I did not say. Because it was,
The observation.
because it was premature.
It's all right, sir. We are saying you have a right to approach a court. You have approached a court. But you cannot say, no, I'm not going to take charge.
It was not my standard.
Ah,
It was not my
ಅದೇ
standard.
observation ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ.
ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚೂರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್.
you went and took charge, is it?
No, I did not.
Then
It was vacant place. It was vacant post.
why did you not
I-
go and take charge? It is only on that ground.
Yes, that is sole ground.
ಮತ್ತೆ
And political.
ಈ ತರ ಆದ್ರೆ indiscipline ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. No court will appreciate an indiscipline. You have a right to agitate, that's all right. You have agitated, you have filed an application. With the leave of the court, you should have said, all right, I'll go and take charge, but that itself should not be held against me. What would have permitted you?
I did not do that. Kindly see my rejoinder, where I have.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ?
ಒಪ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಾವು ಹೇಳೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಪ್ತೀನಿ.
This is the only ground on which your application has been rejected.
I am fully, my lords, obey. But one thing, my lord, judgments which I have referred.
That will be on the merits of the matter, sir. We know. We have passed several orders. You are referring to some of the orders that this court has passed.
No, followed by that, my lord, political,
That will be on the merits of the matter.
political dictations.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the ground on which your application has been rejected is different.
But my transfer is based on the,
On taking note of your behavior, your conduct,
my transfer is,
would amount to indiscipline. ಈ ತರ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಡ್ಸಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
my transfer is based,
Every officer is going to do this. Government will not be able to function.
my transfer is based on the complaint, my lord.
ಹೌದ್ರಿ, you have filed the application. It will be considered on merits.
Stay was granted, therefore I did not.
ಹಾ
Stay was granted.
ಹಾ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ?
Till the last date, my lord, I filed, my lord will find page number 150.
They was granted and you continued.
Continued, yes, continued.
The,
I did not go, I did not absent. I did not remain absent. I joined.
You continue.
Yes, 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 even today, I went today. I did not disobey.
Yes, one.
Kindly,
Huh?
page number 150,
Till today, he
That
is
is so, then this order should go.
kindly 150, order sheet of,
If an interim order of stay was granted and he continued in the same old place.
yes, yes, ma'am, yes.
Then how can the tribunal dismiss the application on this ground?
my lord, another, my lord,
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
my lord. Kindly see para,
Learned government advocate takes notice for all the respondents. Takes notice for the respondent. Learned counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve a copy of the petition along with annexures on the learned government advocate. Full stop. Next para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was transferred and posted as Assistant Commissioner of Commercial Taxes,
now deputy commissioner.
Deputy Commissioner of Commercial Taxes, bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Audit one.
Audit 1.
Yes.
Comma, Vijaypura. By notification dated 4/9/2023. Full stop. The petitioner is a Group B
Yes,
officer
yes,
and the minimum tenure
2 years.
in a
Group B,
thing would be
2 years.
2 years. Full stop. However, by issuance of another notification dated 12/9/2024, the petitioner was transferred to
Page number 37, to Raichur Mana. 37, page number. 58 item number.
Raichur, comma, in terms of a note put up by the concerned minister,
Yes.
Approved by Chief Minister.
which can be found at page number 46.
Yes,
Huh? Full stop. This document, annexure R1, was filed along with the statement of objections
yes.
at the hands of the respondent, comma, before the tribunal. Full stop. However, comma, immediately after the application was filed before the tribunal, an interim order of stay was granted and the petitioner continued to serve at Vijaypura.
Yes. Till today.
And it is submitted that he continues to serve at Vijaypura even till today. Full stop. However, the tribunal has dismissed the application while placing reliance on a judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of SS Saxena versus Union of India and others, bracketly 2006, close 9 SEC 583, wherein it was held that courts should not interfere or pass orders favoring government servants, comma, who disobey an order of transfer by not reporting at the place of posting and then go to a court to ventilate their grievances. Full stop. Learned Counsel, however, submits that this judgment is not applicable to the facts and circumstances of the case, comma, since by virtue of an interim order passed by the tribunal, the petitioner continued to serve at Vijaypura. And it is not a case of misconduct or disobedience on the part of the petitioner. Full stop. Next para. Consequently, there shall be an ad interim order of stay of the impugned order passed by the Karnataka State Administrative Tribunal and the interim order granted by the tribunal at the first instance shall continue till the next date of hearing. Full stop. Next para. Learned AGA is directed to secure instructions as to whether the statements made by the petitioner is correct and whether he continues to serve in Vijaypura till the impugned order was passed by the tribunal.
Grateful.
Hearing on the yes, 20 from Vijay Kumar.
Matters called out.
Serial number.
Serial number 22.
Sorry, my lord, sir.
Mine was 23.
I'm the proxy counsel, Lordship, may kindly have it next week.
At the request of learned counsel for the appellant. ಏನ್ರಿ ಐ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಾ paper publication ಗೆ?
Please.
Why are you asking for adjournment?
Please, Lordship, I have no instructions with regard to that. I was just informed that Lordship may kindly
Release
have it
this
next.
matter on 18th of December.
Obliged.
Yes.
Seal number 23, Sudarshan M.
May it please your lordship. My lords, this is the claimant's appeal for enhancement.
Ah.
Preliminary notification is of 2010. Till this day, we have not received anything, land losers. And
Early hearing application ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. 2010 very short point is involved here.
Can
We
it-
made
can
a
it be-
deposit.
Can it be taken up next week?
Please.
Huh?
Please.
20th, my lords, 19th or 20th, my lords, because 16th to 18th, I am not in station. There is some religious ceremony.
19th, 20th ಕಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ. 20th ಅಂತೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
19th ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
ಏನು-
ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
We are not going to say 2:30. We will
ಹಾ.
list it on 19th ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಅವರು ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ 2010 ಇಂದ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಈವನ್ ₹1 ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
List this matters for final disposal on 19th of December.
Grateful minutes.
IA 1 of 2024 is accordingly disposed of.
Grateful minutes.
Yes.
Seal number Bapugoda Siddhappa.
I am appeal for the appellant, the claimant's appeal for seeking enhancement, Lordship.
Hmm.
The claim liability fixed upon the owner, Lordship. Issue notice,
Insurance company.
issue notice to the respond number 1, 2, 4, Lordship.
HDFC.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned counsel. Srimati Preeti Patil Melkundi is requested to take notice for respond number 3.
3, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the appellant is directed to serve copies of the appeal memo along with annexures on learned counsel for respond number 3
Respond
to the other respondents.
1, 2, and 4, Lordship. Respond number 5 is there. One more company is there, Lordship. The branch manager, Oriental Insurance Company. Yes, Lordship.
The SS Aspelli
Yes,
for respond number
5, Lordship.
5. Huh?
Yes, Lordship.
So copies to learned counsel for respond number 3 and 5.
Yes, Lordship. Other notice.
Notice to the other respondents.
Yes, Lordship.
Seal number 25, Bapugoda Siddhappa.
The Lordship, in this case, the insurance company has also prepared an appeal before this court, Lordship. The FR number, the Srimati Sangeeta Badr Shetty has filed an appeal for the insurance company, second respondent.
Is this matter along with MFA FR 203454 of 2024 on 18th of December.
Seal number 26, Bapugoda Siddhappa.
In this case, the claimant's appeal, Lordship, respond number 1 is owner of the vehicle. He was notice to the respond number 1 may be dispensed. Lordship. The second respondent is the branch manager, United India Insurance Company.
Learned counsel. The Rahul R. Asture,
He is not a penal advocate, Lordship. Now he is a,
Sangeeta Badr Shetty
yes, Lordship.
is requested to take notice for
Respond number 2, Lordship.
respond for 2. Copies to be served. Huh? Learned counsel for the appellant has filed a memo seeking dispensation of notice to respond number 1 on the ground that respond number 1 is the owner of the vehicle and the liability has been fastened on respond number 2 insurance company. Full stop. At the risk of the appellant, notice to respond number 1 is dispensed.
Seal number
Lordship,
20.
there is delays there, Lordship.
ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ
This is wife's appeal, my lords. Husband's petition for divorce came to be decreed, my lords, ex parte decree.
Husband's
the-
petitions
For divorce got decreed, ex
Has been
parte decree,
decreed.
has been decreed,
delay of 173 days.
3 days.
You did not participate in
I
the
did not participate in it.
issue notice to the respondent. Full stop. In the meanwhile, respondent is directed not to contact any other marriage during the pendency of this
Okay,
appeal.
grateful.
Yes.
P group matter, seal number 28, Shravan Kumar Math.
Swami, the other side has moved memo without informing me. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು earlier my lord senior counsel ಅವರು argue ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Short accommodation ಬೇಕು sir.
I appear for Bernard respondent 1.
Respondent number?
Chairman KSAT my lords.
KSCT chairman, my lord.
I seek short accommodation.
A case where, my lord,
Location,
on 31/8/2024,
At the request of learned counsel for the petitioner, release this matter on 18th of December. Yes.
make it like
Seal number, further in seal number 29, Ashwardhan or Mali Patil.
the appellant lordship. I seek 2 days time lordship. Some personal inconvenience. My senior is out of station.
For the appellant. Release this matter on 18th of December.
Please lordship.
On previous matter, interim order stands extended till the next date of hearing.
Interim order is extended
You
lordship.
don't know, huh?
House. Please.
Seal number 30, for final hearing, Ratna N. Shivoyodhima.
I am appearing for the appellant in the connected matter notice. If I file the application for return of LCR to the tribunal, because on the FD, yes, the LCR issued before this court, because on the ground that the FD amount has been matured, that reason the unable to the claimants are withdraw that amount. I filed the application in 30.1,
Other side.
I am the appellant in the connected matter, 30.1. All these matters are the claimants appeal. The total 10 claim petitions are there. Different advocates has been filed. In this case, my case
Serial number 1,
30.1.
1 at serial number 1,
Yes,
30 is filed by the insurance company, na?
ಅವರು ಕ್ಲೇಮೆಂಟ್ ರತ್ನಾ ಶಿವೋಗಿಮಠ ಅವರು ಫೈಲ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Appeal, trial court's record were directed.
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ರಿಶೂಡ್ ದಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಿ ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯುನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಬರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. In my case,
The matters come up for final disposal today.
in the connect,
Few people are ready, we will dispose of the appeal.
in the connected matters, there is several office objections are there.
Huh?
In the connected matters, several office objections they are not complied with.
On furnishing of process fee, correct address for service of notice on respond number 3. Who is respond number 3?
The owner of the vehicle, owner of the vehicle.
He is not in any, he has not appeared in any of the other matters.
He is appeared in my.
Mathignen,
ಅವರು notice.
ಏನ್ರಿ, what is this? ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, in which he has appeared? Who is appearing for him?
In my case,
ST
ಧಾರವಾಡ್ಕರ್.
ಧಾರವಾಡ್ಕರ್.
Yes. ಅವರೇ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್. Yes.
30.2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, since learned counsel Shri ST Dharwadkar has entered appearance for respond number 3 in the connected MFA 202184 of 2018, learned counsel is directed to take notice for respond number 3. Office is directed to show the name of learned counsel Shri ST Dharwadkar for respond number 3. ಆಮೇಲೆ Mr. Mamdapur, second set of the appeal memo.
Second set ಆಗಬೇಕು.
A week's time is granted to the learned counsel for the appellant to furnish second set of the appeal memo in MFA 202264 of 2018. Next para. ಏನ್ರಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
No, my lord. Here, I prefer respond number 4. Some cases respond number 2 on behalf of Uday P. Ungunti, our insurance company.
In this case,
If you are ready, we can take up the appeal next week. Otherwise, we will direct the trial court records to be sent there. 2018 matter.
Next week we will. Next
We'll
week
have
we
it on 18th. Please ask them to come. We'll consider the appeal and dispose of.
Yes, please,
Release this matter on 18th of December.
please.
Yes.
Bill number 31.
Matter is called out.
This is
There is
moved
no
out.
representation for either of the parties. Release this matter after winter vacation.
Passed over matters. Bill number 18, 18. Then Baswa P party.
May I please, Lordship?
Appeal file ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. That will be disposed of ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ they are arguing. ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ matter. ಜಾಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ but he is a subsequent development. Mr. Ashok Patel.
May I please, Lordship? Yes.
The GNWC matter also was dismissed.
Yes, Lordship. Filed by the mother.
But subsequently,
Ah.
by virtue of some interim orders passed by this court,
Please.
it appears that the child was permitted to be taken by the mother, is it?
No, Lordship.
Mate?
The child was sent to the mother after its admission process in Mangalore institution by virtue of the order impugned in the GNWC appeal that during vacations, the mother is given visitation rights. In that context, Lords, the child was sent to the mother. Then, Lords, when the time for admission joining the institution came, mother said, I will not send her, I will appear before the court on 29/5/2024. And on that day also, Lords, my instructions are that the honorable judges, Lords, met the mother and the child in the chambers. But I think nothing is recorded as such, but that is a fact. On instructions, Lord, I'm making the submission. And the mother was reluctant to part with the child. Therefore, Lord, the honorable court did not pass any orders on that day. There was no order that the mother could be taken.
For
My lords, I am appearing on behalf of Sangamasa Patel. He is not in session today. Ramana advocate is appearing through my lords VC. Idru ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರು, but ಅದೇ call ಮಾಡಿ.
Today, my lords, Ravi Patil is also in some special matter before the principal bench, my lords. He is also not in Kalaburagi. Lords, it's muted in the court. I'm sorry.
you are able to hear now?
Now, yes, yes.
ಅಲ್ವೇನಮ್ಮ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು. ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಮನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು ಮಗುನ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ತಾನೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಸರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ನೀವ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವೇನಮ್ಮ?
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದ್ ತಾನೆ? ಈಗ ಆಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗುನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಗುನ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ತಾನೆ ಮಗುನ?
ಈ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾ. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ನನ್ನ
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್? ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ? ಬೈ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್?
My lords, kindly pass over, my lords. Ramana is come and argue the matter. Because I am not aware about the facts. Because I am appearing only on behalf of Sangamasa Patil. He is not in session today. That's the reason I am appearing.
ನೋಡಿ,
One Ramana is
ಹಿಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಅವರು ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮಗುನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಸೇರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಫೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ನಾನು ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಅಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್, ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅಪೇರಿಂಗ್ Ramana is appearing on in VC and submit.
Yes, Mr. Ashok Patil.
May I please, lords? Yes, my lord.
Is any order passed by this court?
No, my lord, no. It should be there, my lords, in the order sheet. In fact, there is no such order. I'm not aware about that order, but
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
My lords, kindly pass over, my lords. I am Ramana and come and
ಅದಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆ ಮಗು ತಂದೆ ಜೊತೆಗಿತ್ತು ತಾನೆ? ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದಿರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೂತಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೂ ತಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಏನೋ ಬರಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಡಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಡಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ತರ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀವಿ 18ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು. ಆ ಮಗು ಬರ್ದೇ ಇರೋ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೀವಿಬ್ರು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್
ಏನ್
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ರೀ? ಇನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. ಆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓವರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ 18.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗಲೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಏನಮ್ಮ 18ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿರೋದು? ನೀವು ಕಲಬುರಗಿಲೇ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು
ನೀವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
She has taken the child to Bangalore, my lords.
You are residing in Kalaburagi.
Dharwad, my lord.
Oh, you are in Dharwad.
Yes, my lord.
ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೀರಾ?
ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರಕ್ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ?
ಹಾ 18ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ? ಹಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಬುಧವಾರ.
In terms of the directions issued by this court, both the parties along with the child are present before the court today. Stop. However, due to some technical reasons, learned counsel for the appellant wife is unable to log on to the proceedings. Full stop. Next para. Release this matter on 18th of December 2024. Huh? Yeah. The parties are directed to be present before this court on the next date of hearing. Yes.
Right.
My lordships, kindly, small submission. Serial number 30.9 and 3010. I have filed memo seeking return of trial court records to the tribunal. Amount kept in the FD has matured. So in order to enable the appellants,
30.9
and 10.
No. We have listed it matter next week for disposal. Please come and argue the.
Yes, no, it's 31 and
Ah.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ interim order extend.
Interim order stands.
Yes, I have filed application.
Huh?
Application ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ some extension paper book last time ಅದು extend ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ by oversight it could not make a submission.
What do you?
ಮೊದಲು interim order ಇತ್ತು some 2 ಸರ್ತಿ extend ಆಗಿದೆ. Last date of hearing I could not.
Serial number 31 ಅಲ್ಲಿ order on IA number
1 of 24.
1 of 2024. Stop. This application is filed by the appellant seeking extension of the interim order granted by this court on 24/6/2022. Full stop. Learned counsel submits that till 9/2/2023, the interim order was extended from time to time. Full stop. However, on 5/7/2024, when the matter was adjourned for 4 weeks for furnishing paper books, by inadvertence, the learned counsel for the appellant did not mention regarding extension of the interim order, and therefore no such express orders are passed. Full stop. Next para. Accepting the submission of the learned counsel for the appellant, the interim order passed by this court on so and so stands extended till the next date of hearing. Full stop. IA 1 of 2024 is accordingly disposed.
Please.